Hello everyone. Today I have a cushion. In the scripture that we're talking about today, it says that Jesus was asleep in the boat on a cushion. Well, is that important? Yes, it's very important, and I'm going to tell you why. In the Bible, in Mark chapter 4, verse 35, it says, "That day when evening came, he said to his disciples, 'Let us go over to the other side.' Leaving the boat behind, they took him along, just as he was in the boat. There were also other boats with him. A furious squall came up, and waves broke over the boat, so that it was nearly swamped, but Jesus was in the stern, the back of the boat, sleeping on a cushion. The disciples woke him and said to him, 'Teacher, don't you care if we drown?' He got up, rebuked the wind, and said to the waves, 'Quiet, be still.' Then the wind died down and it was completely calm. He said to his disciples, 'Why are you so afraid? Do you still have no faith?' They were terrified and asked each other, 'Who is this? Even the wind and the waves obey him.'" So why is it important that Jesus was sleeping on a cushion? Well, the cushion in the story is a non-important detail. It's not actually important. It doesn't add anything to the story whatsoever. The reason that Mark includes the cushion is because that's what happened. That's what actually happened, and Mark is an eyewitness account. And so there were people that saw what happened, and they were there, and Jesus was sleeping on a cushion. There's no other reason why this cushion is important in the story, and that shows that this is a true story, because someone was actually there and they actually saw the cushion, and Jesus actually calmed the storm, and he actually is the Son of God. And so I want you to realize the answer to the question that they ask: who is this? Even the wind and the waves obey him. This is God in human flesh. This is the Son of God. This is the one that will deliver you from whatever storms there are in your life. This is the one that will say to your heart, "Be still." When we be still and know that he is God, when we take that time, he is God. And he still can do these same kinds of things for you all today. And so, when you're reading the Bible, I want you to look for things like the cushion. I want you to look for things, especially Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John, that are eyewitness details. There's many of them. The Bible reads like an eyewitness account because there were people there. They witnessed the real Jesus do real miracles, and he is real, and he's on the right hand of God. He is reigning, and no matter what you're going through, he is still there, and he loves you, and he will help you to get through, because he is God, and he is powerful. He made the wind and the waves, so he can say to them, "Be still." He made you. And so whatever you're going through, he can say to it, "Be still." And sometimes he doesn't. He was asleep for a little while here. Maybe that's what's happening right now. Know that he's still there, and he still loves you, and he's eventually going to bring you safe to shore. God bless you all.